Imagine a life with less financial stress. Imagine having extra income to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply enjoy more freedom. This dream can become a reality with affiliate marketing. It's a powerful tool that empowers you to earn while you learn and grow. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting products or services you believe in. It's like recommending a favorite restaurant to a friend. If they have a great meal based on your recommendation, you've added value to their life. With affiliate marketing, you can share your passions with the world and earn commissions on sales made through your unique referral links. It's a win-win situation, allowing you to monetize your interests while providing valuable recommendations to your audience. Affiliate marketing might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple. It's a partnership between you, the affiliate, and a company, the merchant. You promote their products or services to your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Think of it like being a brand ambassador. You choose products or services you love and share them with your network. Each time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get rewarded for your efforts. It's that straightforward. The best part? You don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. Your focus is on sharing your passion and recommending high-quality products that benefit your audience. Affiliate marketing offers a world of opportunities for anyone looking to earn extra income online. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or simply someone seeking financial freedom, affiliate marketing can be your path to success. One of the most significant advantages is the low barrier to entry. Unlike starting a traditional business, you don't need a huge investment or prior experience. You can start with minimal costs and gradually scale your efforts as your income grows. Affiliate marketing also offers unparalleled flexibility. You can work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection, set your own hours, be your own boss, and enjoy the freedom to live life on your terms. The first step to affiliate marketing success is choosing a niche. This is simply a specific topic or area of interest you'll focus on. Select something you're passionate about, as your enthusiasm will shine through in your content and resonate with your audience. Think about your hobbies, interests, and areas of expertise. What do you enjoy talking about? What problems can you help people solve? Your niche should be something you're knowledgeable about and genuinely enjoy, as this will make creating content much more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Remember, your niche doesn't have to be something extraordinary. It could be as simple as helping people find the best travel deals, recommending healthy recipes, or sharing tips for personal finance management. The key is to choose something you're passionate about and that aligns with your interests. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to find relevant affiliate programs to partner with. Affiliate programs are essentially agreements between you and merchants that allow you to earn commissions by promoting their products or services. A great example is Amazon Associates, one of the largest and most reputable affiliate programs globally. With millions of products available, you're sure to find something relevant to your niche. Other popular affiliate networks include ClickBank, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate, offering a wide range of products and services across various industries. When choosing affiliate programs, consider factors like commission rates, cookie durations, how long a referral is tracked, and the reputation of the the merchant and their products. Partner with companies you believe in and would personally recommend to your audience. Crafting your message, content creation. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. Creating high quality, valuable content is crucial for attracting and engaging your target audience. This content could be in the form of blog posts, social media updates, videos, email newsletters, or even podcasts. The key is to provide value to your audience. Share your expertise, offer helpful tips, provide honest reviews, and create content that genuinely helps your audience solve problems or make informed decisions. When incorporating affiliate links into your content, do so naturally and transparently. Don't force it or make your content solely about selling. Instead, focus on providing value and recommend products or services that genuinely align with your content and benefit your audience. Strategic sharing, promoting your links. Creating great content is just the first step. You also need to get it in front of your target audience. This is where promotion comes in. There are numerous ways to promote your affiliate links, both free and paid. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter are excellent for connecting with your target audience and sharing your content. Build a strong online presence, engage with your followers, and share your affiliate links strategically within your posts and profiles. Email marketing is another effective way to promote your affiliate products and build relationships with your audience. Create valuable email newsletters that provide exclusive content, special offers, and personalized recommendations, naturally incorporating your affiliate links within the emails. Building for the long term, tips for success. Affiliate marketing, like any online venture, requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Here are some additional tips to help you succeed on your affiliate marketing journey. Build a strong audience relationship. Focus on building trust and credibility with your audience. Provide valuable content, engage with your followers, and be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Diversify your affiliate partners. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Partner with multiple affiliate programs to diversify your income streams and reduce reliance on a single source. Track your results and adjust accordingly. Use analytics tools to track your website traffic, social media engagement, and affiliate link clicks. Analyze your data to understand what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Embracing the journey, your affiliate marketing adventure awaits. Affiliate marketing offers an incredible opportunity to achieve financial freedom, work from anywhere, and build a sustainable online business. It's a journey that requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and grow. Remember to choose a niche you're passionate about, partner with reputable affiliate programs, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, and promote your links strategically. With persistence and dedication, you can achieve your affiliate marketing goals and unlock a world of opportunities. Now is the time to take action. Start exploring your passions, researching affiliate programs, and crafting your unique message. Your affiliate marketing adventure awaits. Don't forget to subscribe to Online with Teresa for more tips and inspiration on building a successful online business. And be sure to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.